Damaging underground utilities can be dangerous and costly, and can also seriously impact companies' reputations. Radiodetection's range of cable and pipe locators are designed to help you drive best practice, reduce utility strikes, and improve safety. Utility strikes are a big problem around the world and have resulted in injury and even deaths of workers, as well as civil and criminal liability for employers. Employers face fines and other criminal penalties for unsafe working practices, as well as paying compensation to injured workers and paying damages to utility owners for repair to damaged utilities. With a growing population and increasing urbanisation, there's more demand than ever for new infrastructure. And as a consequence, more groundwork is undertaken every year. Unfortunately, every time ground is broken, there is the risk of damaging buried services. So what's the key to reducing damage and keeping our workforces safe? Reducing utility strikes requires a three-step approach. Firstly, ensure operators use the best available technology. Radiodetection's products are widely used across the world and have been designed to help operators find more buried utilities. They contain a wide range of advanced features to provide accurate and reliable locates. Step 2. Make sure that all operators have the correct training and safety management skills to locate and mark buried utilities. Radiodetection offers comprehensive cable and pipe locator training courses. It's vital to make sure that your teams are trained in the full range of safe excavation practices. Finally, influence on-site behaviours to ensure best practice on every site, every day. This step is vital, but easily forgotten. Monitor the behaviour of your teams to ensure that your company practices are being followed, and intervene to retrain where this is not happening. Our range of cable and pipe locators support this by recording all the data and parameters from the product, which can then be used for analysis. Our new online system provides near real-time analysis and tracking to monitor how your locators are being used and enables interventions before damage can occur. If you need to locate buried services, then Radiodetection is your partner in damage prevention. For more information on how to reduce damage, visit www.radiodetection.com, speak to one of our distribution partners, or call one of our sales team.